today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Google Analytics to your GoDaddy website so you can start tracking visitors, traffic sources, and performance. It sounds technical, but the process is actually very simple once you know where to look. Start by opening your browser and going to the GoDaddy website. Log into your account so you can access your dashboard. Once you're signed in, go to your products page and look for the websites and marketing section. Find your website there and click Manage. Next, open your site in the GoDaddy website builder by clicking Edit Website. When the editor loads, move your attention to the top of the screen and select Settings. From there, choose Analytics and Tracking. Now it's time to connect Google Analytics. Click the Google Analytics option. If you don't already have a Google Analytics account, you can create one at this stage by following the prompts on Google's website. Once your account is ready, Google will give you a unique measurement ID or tracking ID. Copy that ID. Then return to your GoDaddy settings and paste it into the Google Analytics field. This ID is what links your website to your analytics account, so data can start flowing in. After that, simply save your changes and click Publish to make everything live. Within a short time, you will be able to log into Google Analytics and start seeing real-time data about your visitors. And that's it. You've successfully added Google Analytics to your GoDaddy website. Keep an eye on your reports to learn what's working, where your traffic comes from, and how you can improve your site. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple website tutorials.